Every journey begins in the fields, where ripeness decides everything.
Timing is precise, because flavor is harvested, not made.
Hundreds of hands move with one purpose.
Machines assist, but judgment remains human.
Each crate carries days of sun and soil.
Quality is judged before the factory ever sees it.
Once approved, there is no delay. Speed matters, because freshness has a clock. Every mile forward protects the harvest. Harvests converge long before processing begins.
Logistics turned farming into industry.
The factory announces itself before the gates.
This is where agriculture meets precision. Every arrival is measured and recorded. Positioning is the first step toward precision. Inside these walls, speed and control work together. Inside these walls, speed and control work together. The factory opens its mouth to receive the harvest. Mechanized muscle replaces the field's hands. Mechanized muscle replaces the field's hands. Mechanized muscle replaces the field's hands. From here, every step is engineered. Nothing moves without approval. Nothing moves without approval.
Only the best move forward.
Human eyes still outperform machines.
What doesn't belong is removed immediately. Now the real transformation can begin. Technology verifies what humans began.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Before processing, purity is restored. The raw journey officially becomes a process. Gravity and design take over. Every surface is cleaned, not assumed. What doesn't belong is removed immediately.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Now the real transformation can begin.
Nothing here is wasted.
This is where texture is born.
Nothing moves without force and control.
Only smoothness survives this stage.
Nothing here is wasted. Now flavor begins to intensify.
Water leaves, essence remains.
Structure breaks so flavor can be released. Only smoothness survives this stage. Precision replaces guesswork.
At this stage, power must be controlled. Ketchup is built from balance.
Uniformity is engineered, not assumed.
Time completes what machines begin.
Heat prepares the pulp for separation. Precision replaces guesswork.
Temperature decides consistency.
The product is ready for precision. The product is ready for precision.
Time completes what machines begin.
Uniformity is engineered, not assumed.
Ketchup is built from balance. At this stage, power must be controlled.
Hygiene runs alongside production. Every decision is calculated in real time.
Water leaves, essence remains.
Here, speed meets absolute control. Hygiene runs alongside production. Only proven quality moves forward.
Balance is chemistry, not chance.
Some tests require human expertise.
Texture defines the experience. Texture defines the experience. A seal must survive more than the shelf. Quality is checked continuously, not occasionally. Only verified products move ahead.
Identity is applied at speed.
Sealing is controlled to the last degree. Clean edges protect quality. Every container must stand exactly where intended. Speed meets careful handling. Every container must stand exactly where intended.
Precision begins where measurement matters most.
Precision now becomes visible.
Efficiency never sacrifices accuracy. Stability protects flavor.
Consistency is enforced mechanically.
Automation observes without interfering. Quality is checked continuously, not occasionally.
Even the smallest parts follow order.
Uniformity is filled, not guessed.
A seal must survive more than the shelf.
Production now turns toward delivery. Precision is measured in grams. Some tests require human expertise.
Protection begins before transport.
Order is built layer by layer.
The product waits, ready for demand.
The final movement begins here. The journey continues beyond the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce how tomato ketchup is made. Tomato harvesting and process. And this is how modern factories produce how tomato ketchup is made. Tomato harvesting and